In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to test the manual output of the DC output. What I would suggest is to remove the output wires from the rear of your controller and screw down the terminals before the test. In this particular test, I have a digital voltmeter or digital milliamp meter and the connections on the rear of the terminals. To place the instrument into manual mode, press the up and down arrow keys to select Auto-AM. Use the arrow key to select Man for manual mode and observe a percentage sign at the bottom of the screen appears. Press and hold the up arrow key until this reaches 100%. With your digital multimeter, milliamps or DC output, depending on which one you're using, observe the maximum output on the screen. In this particular case, it's milliamp output, so we have 20 milliamps showing on the meter. Use the down arrow key to select 0. So we have 0%. As this is set for 4 to 20 milliamps, we have approximately 4 on the screen. To go back to normal operation, we press the up and down arrow keys and select Auto. And this is how you check to ensure your output is working.